series, which is called Wanderlust, the Keeper's Tale, evolved from a series of alkyd paintings in which I made a narrative based on superheroes and blue eggs, and they were egg farms and things were going on in the drawings in those paintings. But to take them to the next step, I decided to use photography because I wanted to drop myself out of the equation and just let the viewer connect with the subjects and the superheroes and see what would happen if they were more of themselves and less of my hand in the work, which in painting you're dealing with texture and you're dealing with the mechanics of paint and what happens with how the paint reacts. And then I get carried off into side tracks, but I wanted to keep them very simple and very plain. They also began as portraits, and then the story evolved out of the portraits. So there's some very strong portraiture in the series, which are the characters themselves, and then they started doing things and saving the egg. Then actually the next thing they did was save the egg, and then the antagonist came into the story, and the story started fleshing out into a more of a linear narrative and less of a visual narrative. Whereas now I think it could be developed in different directions. Either I'm sort of looking at it as a possibility to go into a musical or maybe a ballet. I don't think it's fair to ask people to go out and do things and I don't. So when we went out on location, I put on a little fake mustache and my little beret and was the director. You know, why not?